Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp desktop not opening on Windows 11. First, try repairing the app. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. Scroll down and find WhatsApp in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click the Repair button. Windows will try to fix the app without removing your data. When the repair process is finished, try opening WhatsApp again. If the problem continues, you can reset the app. Stay on the same Advanced Options page and click the Reset button. This will remove the app data and restore it to its default settings. After the reset is complete, open WhatsApp again and see if it works. You should also check the background permissions. In the Advanced Options, make sure the background app permission is allowed so the app can run normally. Another thing you can do is close the app from Task Manager. Sometimes the app is running in the background, but does not open properly. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Look for WhatsApp in the list of processes. If you see it, select it and click End Task. Then try opening the app again. If none of these methods solves the issue, uninstall the app and install it again. Thanks for watching.